No words left to say. I've had enough of this game, when every day the screams all sound the same. It's not too late, 'cause life goes on, and I will find a way to crush these walls and let me light cover all my scars. So here I stand, up in the air with my heart broken again, but I will recall every time that I fell and rose from every storm. So running through